Want to free up your desk but can't bear losing essential keys on your keyboard? We've got your back. Meet the EpoMaker GK96S, a 96% compact layout wireless mechanical keyboard coming straight from our famed EpoMaker community. Compared with full-size bulky keyboards, the GK96S saves 35% more of your desk space. With a lightweight body constructed from high-profile materials and two-layer footprints providing an ergonomic angle for typing, the GK96S is perfect for every situation. This is Luke. As an accountant, he works 9 to 5 in his office. The GK96S frees up his desk without compromising his comfortable number typing experience. After working sessions, he enjoys using the GK96S at home for gaming. Stella works remotely in daily life. Thanks to the GK96S that is easy to carry while covering full-size features, she can enjoy designing posters and images in a cozy cafe. Steven hates to constantly move his hand away from the mouse to use the right number pad. Now, he has got the GK96S. With the Southpaw GK96S, his intuitive workflow has never before been so seamless. The GK96S doesn't leave any popular EpoMaker GK features behind. It's hot swappable, allowing you to change switches in seconds to best suit your needs. Gateron optical switches and mechanical switches are available in different types. The PBT thermal sublimation keycaps ensure a more durable and comfortable user experience. It is also compatible with Mac OS and Windows, offering native layout and functionality for both operating systems. The GK96S can connect to up to 4 devices at once, allowing you to build an intuitive multitasking workflow. You can either enjoy its reliable wireless connection supported by the Bluetooth 5.1 chipset or use a Type-C cable to connect. Embedded with 16.8 million RGB backlit, the GK96S lights up your desk in your mood. A supporting software allows you to customize the backlit options and remap all the keys. No matter if you are a geek or a beginner, the 5-layer usage modes are ready to get you covered. Enjoy a superior typing experience with the best companion, EpoMaker GK96S Wireless Mechanical Keyboard.